dead easy. You need a Google account, of course, and the best way to do your Google ads, what were we trying to sell here earlier? Here's the big tip for you, okay? I'm not going to go through the entire process because it's literally would take me, and by the way, it's covered in the training, so I'm not going to cover it twice. It would take me forever. But here's the big tip. The big tip is your keyword is really important. So let's suppose we're looking for to buy a fluffy toy. Buy fluffy toy. Look, already you see, Amazon ranks. Amazon's got awesome SEO, man. Awesome SEO. So that's just a whole different story about Amazon SEO. Anyway, I'm not going to cover that now. Let's just focus, Neil. Focus. So buy fluffy toy is a search term that we could be bidding on, but the better search term is buy fluffy toy Amazon. And that is the sort of search terms you want to go for. So when you're setting up your Google AdWords account and you do your Google ads, the most important thing you can do is get your keywords right. The best keywords are the most relevant keywords. And if you're selling on Google AdWords to drive people to Amazon, the best keywords have got your product, fluffy toy, plus the word Amazon. Doesn't even need the buy. It can be just fluffy toy Amazon. That's the best keyword. Like that. Okay, and if you are bidding on that keyword and somebody clicks on it, then you've got a very good chance that they're looking to buy a fluffy toy and they want to buy it on Amazon, which of course is the dirty double, and that's a great thing to do. So Sahel, firstly, follow my training because it's all covered in there, how to set up Google Ads. Secondly, the keywords that you bid on is very, very important. They are, what I've just shown you, the very best keywords to bid on. And anybody who is selling on Amazon and not doing Google Ads, then you are just insane. You are leaving so much money on the table, it just defies belief. When we did we took Anita Leo's business from basically zero to, I think it was $26,000 a month on Amazon. That's all documented here. New Amazon traffic system. So that's documented the entire process in that. One of the ways, it's 29,000. One of the ways that we did that was we did Google AdWords ads, and it was ludicrously profitable. Like you couldn't even fathom how much money it made. It was just ridiculous. It was like we would be investing $100 and making like $2,000. It was so profitable. You couldn't believe it. So if you're doing it and you're selling on Amazon and you're not doing Google Ads, you are crazy. You're absolutely crazy. You're leaving so much money on the table. You'd be nuts not to do Google Ads, because right now it's an open playing field. It's an open playing field. So hope that helps. So hell. Lastly, Anita says, yes, you've got to do Google Ads. Look, if you want to learn how to do Google Ads, you've got two options, all right? Your two options are this. You can either buy this training course, which will take you through exactly what Anita and I did to build her Amazon business from 0 to 29,000. Anita and I in the inner circle, all laid out for you, okay? Or if you don't want to buy that, get a product discovery session with Anita herself, and Anita will help you apply that to your own business. So you've got two options of learning how to do it, or you can just figure it out for yourself. You've got that option too. So, but if you want to fast track, it's always better to get some help, in my opinion. You miss out on a lot of very expensive learning by getting on the fast track. So you've got two options: either get my course or get Anita to help you one-on-one, and then you and Anita can just figure it out really fast, and she's freaking awesome. Her business, $29,000 a month. I mean, you know, it's just, why wouldn't you get Anita helping you? It's just crazy not to. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.